Over the last 18 years of the Haha, we've brought close to 10,000 people down on 2,500 boats. So sure, I'm very, very concerned about their personal safety, as I'm concerned about my safety and my family's safety when they come down here. But I've been coming down here on boats since 1979 and on my own boat since 1981. There just hasn't been a history of violence along this coast against people on cruising boats in particular. So we feel very safe, and the community here at Puerto Vallarta, there's 25 to 30,000 Americans or Canadians. If you ask them, I guarantee you they would tell you they feel extremely safe here. So it just isn't an issue with people. They hear from friends back home, you think you're all going to get killed, you're crazy. People here just roll their eyes and enjoy themselves.
Banderas Bay is a pretty safe place where you can come and enjoy vacation days. And it also is a very safe place for living in here. We have lots of people from US and from Canada living in here year round. And it's one of the safest places in Mexico.
About 1,500 sailors all over the world. We have about 25 countries represented in this event. This is the second time they come to this event, and when you ask me about safety, this is a very safe place. This is a place where you can go out and sail, go out to have dinner, go out to have to be amused, and to have many other activities up in the jungle, down in the water. It's a very safe place. Please come visit Mexico. Mexico is one of the great jewels in the world.